Welcome. Secrets of previous lives. My friend, we have lived before in many lives. And because of that, because of what happened in our previous life, we may be suffering from different things. We may be suffering from different kind of fear, phobia, unknown fear. In my workshop, I help people to remove their fear of height, fear of water, fear of meeting people, fear of unknown fear. They don't know what something is going to happen to them, but they don't know what is going to happen to them. They have a health problem. Some people are overweight. They keep eating all the time. They don't know why they eat so much. They had a special behavior problems, different kind of behavior. They don't trust anybody. They do something, they stop in between. Plus many mental blocks is the cause of previous life. My friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Lab in Hyderabad, India. I started learning hypnosis in 1972, started teaching hypnosis in 1977, and I started doing past-life regression in 1982 personally and then professionally in 1992. I have regressed lakhs of people in my workshop, and we find out that 50% problems are in this life, the cause of the problem are this life, 50% may be of previous life. Not previous life, previous life. We lived many lives, my friend. Initially, I never believed in this, but something happened with me, which I will tell you later during the workshop. My friend, we have all this problem happening. Now, I am conducting a 21-day experiential past life workshop. Secret of past life workshop, that means using hypnotic past life regression. Regression means taking you back into the past. Past life regression means taking into your previous lives. My friend, we will guide you step by step. First we prepare you for the past life regression. We'll take you different kind of past life regression so that you can find out the cause of your problem and release them. You will learn how to go back into one of your previous life, and using this technique you can regress many number of times in a different past life, find the cause of your problem. You will know the relationship with the other people what you have right now. Some of them may be in this life with you, and you may having the same problem now which you started from previous life. You will learn to find out your talents and abilities from your previous life. Yes, you have a lot of talent in the previous life. You can bring those talent and abilities in this life, find the cause of your problems, then in between lifetime, and then the previous future life also will do a experience exercise. Now this is a 21-day and plus lot of healing and many other things. You can check below the details about the content of the workshop. It's a 21-day video workshop where I'll guide you step by step, prepare you and guide you, and you will experience at your own pace from your home. And this is a powerful workshop. I really loved it because I have removed some of my problem using this technique, and I help thousands of people to help them to come out of their problem. So my friend, this workshop is a 21-day WhatsApp workshop. We'll send you a video lesson every day. First day you will get at 9 p.m. After that every day you will get between 5 to 6 p.m. and except Sunday. So it is 21-day workshop, 21-day working day workshop. So you will get lessons every day and you can practice at your own pace. You don't need to be online because it is on a WhatsApp group. At the end of this course, we'll give you a Google Drive link, and where you can download all the materials and practice again and again and again and again. So my friend, if you really want to become successful in your life, remove a lot of your mental blocks, fear, phobias, some of them are from the previous life, you will live happily and you become more successful in your life. So my friend, you want to know the secret of your previous life, this is the workshop for you. Now the fee for the workshop, where I used to conduct this 2 full day workshop, which used to charge 10,000 plus GST, 11,800. Now this is a WhatsApp workshop, recorded workshop, which you are going to get every day one lesson. The fee is not 10,000, not even 5,000, not even 2,000, not even 1,500. It is only 1,100 plus GST. That comes to 1,298. 1,298 includes 198 GST. Plus you will get some bonus material, and this workshop may not happen again. So click on the date and everything below and join the workshop right now. Use Google Pay, Paytm and Phone Pay. When you do this, remember, see my name there, Pradeep Aggarwal there, or IMCD. which is my name of the company. And if you want to pay by credit card, there is a Raise Pay button there on my website. Click on that link and register using your credit card, then send us a screenshot or the number given below. Now, if you are out of India, many people attend from out of India, we have a PayPal button there for $25. You make the payment, send us a screenshot, we add you in the main group, and see you during the workshop and have fun. Thank you very much.